morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. So, children, today we will discuss the question answer of chapter 2 once again. As you all have noted it down, but I want that it should be revised and the answer should come from your side only. Okay? The digestion of food. Fill in the blanks, first one. The digestion of food in humans starts in the
Buccal
dash
cavity.
and is completed in the dash.
Buccal cavity and small
Buccal
intestine.
cavity and small
Buccal
intestine.
cavity and
Cavity,
buccal
yes,
cavity.
buccal cavity and small intestine. Write the spelling correctly. Buccalcavity, buccal cavity. And it is completed in the
Small
In the small
intestine.
intestine.
Small intestine.
Yes. Then next one. Dash present in the stomach kills bacteria.
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Yes. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, you can write it correctly.
Yes, ma'am.
HYDRO. Bolo, spelling bolo.
HYDROCHLORICACID.
Yes. HYDROCHLORIC. Hydrochloric acid, ACIDs. The largest gland. Next one is the largest gland in the human body
Liver.
is
Liver.
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 Partially digested food that is chewed again by grass eating animals is called
Curd.
Curd.
yes, it is curd.
Curd.
Amoeba uses dash for locomotion and for
Pseudopodia.
capturing its food.
Protopodia.
Pseudopodia.
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 Correct pronunciation is pseudopodia. Now give me the spelling. Spelling bolo pseudopodia ka.
PSEUDOPODIA.
Yes. PSEUDOPODIA. Pseudopodia. Be silent. Gallbladder. What will be
Bile
the
juice.
Bile juice.
Bile juice. Proteins.
Amino acid.
Amino acid.
Intestinal wall.
Absorption.
Absorption.
Rumen.
Cow.
Cow.
I'm cow. Cow.
Yes. And pseudopodia.
False feet.
False feet.
I'm false feet.
Yes. Take the correct option. Organisms that can synthesize their own food are called
Autotrophs.
autotrophs. Cow is an
Heterotroph.
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 heterotroph. Animals that eat both plant material and animals are called
Omnivorous.
omnivorous. Which of
Omnivorous.
one of these is not a part of the alimentary canal?
Liver.
Liver.
Bile juice is released by the
Liver.
liver. Now, one by one, you will answer the questions. Either if you remember, you can tell it, if you are confident enough to tell it correctly, then you can correct it. Otherwise, you can use the answer given on page number and you tell the page number. You will answer. This is a revision work. Answer the following question in brief. Define the following terms. Holozoic nutrition.
This is a mode of nutrition in which organisms like amoeba and human being eat food that may be in solid or in liquid state. This food is taken into the body and then it is broken down to provide the required nutrition to the body.
Now you can tell me in terms of definition, you will write the whole paragraph. ऐसे नहीं बोलो कि it is
मैम आप जो लिखाई थी वो
A mode of nutrition in which organisms feed on both liquid and solid state of
like
food
amoeba and
is called
human beings
holozoic.
eat food that may be in solid or in liquid and get digested.
yes, and you will write the example afterward. Like example, you will write after completing the answer, and you will write amoeba and human beings. Alimentary canal.
Alimentary canal present inside our body. This canal begins at the mouth and ends at the anus is called the alimentary canal.
begins at the mouth, ends at the anus
Yes.
is called alimentary canal.
ठीक
The
है,
large muscular tube in the
Give the
human body
meaning of
through
the
which food
terms.
passes after.
Yes, anybody has any problem? किसी को कोई
No,
दिक्कत है?
ma'am.
Give
No,
the
ma'am.
meaning of the term assimilation.
The absorbed food is
Using
utilized by the
absorbed food
body
by the
for
body
the
for
growth and the
providing
formation
energy
of the
of the
body
body
parts.
parts
This
is
process
called-
is known as the ambulation.
Process of using the
Assimilation,
absorbed
don't
food
say
for
that
the
word.
growth and for
It is
producing energy.
assimilation. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Rumination.
The
The ruminants
Later
being
on,
cut
when
back
it's cut back to their mouth and
Ruminant
chew this
Process
food
by
is
which
The
ruminants
ruminants
feed on food
rumination.
to the mouth
and then bring it back in the mouth from rumen
The
is known
ruminants
as
bring
rumination.
partially
The
digested
ruminants
curd
later
back
on
to
bring
their
this
mouth
cut
and
back to
chew
their
it
mouth
thoroughly.
and
This
chew it
process
thoroughly.
is
This
called
process is
rumination.
called rumination.
ruminants brings the skirt back to their mouth and chew it thoroughly. This process
Yes,
is called
correct. Appropriate. The ruminants cut back or partially digested food to their mouth and chew it thoroughly. This process is called rumination. Name the organs that make up the human alimentary canal.
The
Buccal
organs
cavity,
that
Write
make
all
up
the
the
organs.
human alimentary canal are
and
first
large
buccal
intestine,
cavity,
intestine,
food
large
pipe,
intestine,
stomach,
Rectum, anus.
small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus.
Yes.
buccal cavity, food pipe,
Buccal
stomach, small
cavity,
intestine,
food
large
pipe
intestine,
or
rectum, and anus.
esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. State two differences between milk teeth and permanent teeth.
Milk teeth. Milk teeth are
Boleh,
begin to
point wise.
appear when a baby is 6 or 7 months old. They are 20 in numbers. Permanent teeth. Permanent teeth are appearing when the child is 6 years old. They are 32 in numbers.
Yes, very good.
Basic number of
appropriate
teeth are 20. Age of
Hmm.
6 months are and 7 months.
Hmm.
Permanent teeth. Number of teeth are 32. Start growing in the age of 6 years.
Hmm. Or? Yes, correct. They are 20 in number, they are 32 in number, and milk teeth appears at the age of 6 months to 7 months. And permanent teeth starts appearing after 6-7 years of age. Name the 4 types of teeth in human mouth.
The 4 types of teeth
premolar,
The 4
molar.
types of
in the
teeth
human
Molar
mouth
and
are
premolar.
first incisors,
Canines,
canines, premolars, and
premolars,
molars.
and molars.
Yes, incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. State the function of incisor teeth and premolar teeth.
Incisor,
Incisors are
cutting
used for cutting
For
the
cutting the
food, and
food.
premolars are used
Molar
for
teeth are
grinding the
Grinding.
food.
used for grinding the food.
Okay, incisors are used for cutting the food
Grinding the
and
food.
premolars are used for grinding the food. State the role of acid in the human stomach.
Acids help us to
Hydrochloric
digest
acid
the
kills
food into
bacteria.
simple and
It
soluble
provides the
nutrients.
acidic
Enzymes in the
medium
stomach break
needed
down
for the
sugars and
digestion of the
alcohol.
food by enzymes in the stomach.
Okay,
Acids help us to digest the food into simple and soluble nutrients.
okay, okay. Good. Chalo. Next question. State the function of bile juice and pancreatic juice in human digestive system.
Bile
Bile
juice
juice,
plays
it
an
Bile
helps
juice
us
help
important
in
in the
role
digestion
in
of
digestion of
fat.
digestion of
fat.
It
the
is
fat.
food.
Stored in
It
liver
breaks
in a
carbohydrates,
bag-like
protein,
structure
fats into
called
simple
bile
Carbohydrates,
duct.
fats.
Pancreatic
It
juice.
plays
fats,
an
This juice
important
act on the
role in digestion of
carbohydrate,
fat.
protein, and the fat, breaks
Pancreatic
them
juice,
into the
it
smaller
acts
form.
to
Bile juice, it helps us
Bile
in
juice plays
digestion
an
of fat.
important role in digestion of
Solo.
fats.
It
Only one
breaks
Pancreatic juice
student.
acts
carbohydrates,
on the
protein, fats into
carbohydrate,
simpler
protein,
forms.
fats, and break them into simpler forms.
Bile juice acts
Pancreatic
on
juice.
Bile juice plays an important role in digestion of fats.
Bile juice, it helps
Pancreatic
us
juice
in
acts on
digestion of fat.
carbohydrate, protein,
Pancreatic
and
juice,
fats,
it
and break
breaks
them into
carbohydrates,
simpler
protein,
forms.
fats into simpler forms.
Okay. Next question is, draw a neat, well-labeled diagram of human digestive system. This is an important diagram, children. You have to practice it as it is given in your book on page number 17. Then, next question. These are important questions. आप give reasons में ये question आ सकता है. Justify the following statement. Crow is an
Crow is an
omnivore.
Crow is an omnivorous because
it
it
eats both plant
it
and
eats
animal.
both plant material and animal
They
material.
eat veg and
eat
insects
both
also. So
Crow
they
is
plants,
an
get
omnivorous
insects,
because
and
it
rats.
eats both flesh and plant products.
Yes. और
Crow
कोई?
is an omnivore because it eat anything which comes along, either it is plant, animals, or dead bodies. They eat veg and insects also. So the statement is correct that crow is omnivore.
Okay. Because it eats both plant and animal product, flesh. जो भी language आप use कर सकते हो, that is correct. ये matter होना चाहिए. Both plant and animal products. So it is kept in the category of omnivore. It is said that the mode of nutrition in human beings and amoeba is quite similar.
It
It
is
is
said
said
that
that the mode of
The mode of
nutrition in
Amoeba,
human
nutrition
beings
in
amoeba
human
and
beings and
human
amoeba
beings
amoeba
share
is
both
quite
mode of
similar
both are
because
nutrition. It
both
helps
follow
physiologic
with
Holozoic mode of
Digestion
nutrition
of the
in which
food.
nutrition and
Insects
feed
nutrition.
feed on
liquid
both
state
plants
of
and
food.
in which they both feed on
food is
liquid and
taken
solid
in
state
the
of food.
body and then it
that
is
means
broken
before
down to
the
provide
state, the
nutrition.
food is taken into the body or eaten, and then it is broken down to provide the required nutrition to the body.
Okay,
Human
correct.
beings and amoeba both
It is
holozoic
said,
mode of nutrition because they take solid food and gets this process: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion.
which is all carried out inside the body of the organism. ठीक है?
Yes.
Both में, in human beings also and in amoeba.
Amoeba.
Now, give reason for the following.
Ingestion of food is difficult.
Wait a minute. Digestion is completed inside the body. Next question. Please don't disturb the class, or if any noise is there, mute it. Mute your mic. Give reason for the following. Ingestion of food is difficult without it.
Ingestion of
It
food
has
is
to break
Yes,
down
difficult
it
food.
will be
Linda,
difficult because the
as
basic function of a
if
food
you
break
in
down the
Ingestion
large
of
in
food is
proteins
grind
difficult
and
without
it
it
helps in
because
life
it
and different
will
enzymes
help with
like
the
in the
easy
food.
swallowing of
is
food.
Saliva
difficult
and
in the breakdown of food. So
That
ingestion
because
of
the
food
food
is
pipe is
difficult
thin and the
without
food
it.
pipe
difficult without
is
teeth.
narrow.
Yes, it
एक
will be
बच्चा
difficult.
बोलो. One of you
Yes,
speak.
it
एक
will be
बच्चा.
difficult.
difficult
teeth
Yes,
to
because
break down food
Yes,
into
it will
smaller
be
parts.
difficult
कोई भी
because the
एक
basic
बच्चा एक
function of
स्टूडेंट
teeth.
बोलिए.
different
All the
enzymes.
noise is
Yes,
getting
it will be
mingled up.
difficult.
Yes, it will be difficult
Yes, it
because
will be difficult because the basic function of teeth is
Ayush,
to break down
if you are
the
speaking,
large
you
pieces
will
into
only
small
speak.
with the help of saliva.
very difficult without teeth.
Ma'am,
It is
can I
not
speak?
clear. Ayush, you speak again. आयुष रतन बोलो फिर से.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
अच्छा
बोलो.
ठीक है,
Yes,
कोई
it
भी
will
एक
be
बच्चा
difficult.
बोलो ना.
Yes, it will be
Ingestion of
difficult
food is
because the
difficult
basic
without
function
teeth.
of teeth. Yes, it will be difficult because the basic function of teeth is to break down down the large pieces into small with the help of saliva and different enzymes that help in the breakdown of food. So ingestion of food is difficult without teeth.
Yes, because teeth helps to break down the food into smaller pieces. Down the food into the smaller pieces. And
which help in the easy swallowing of the food, as our esophagus is not that thick.
Help in the
And digest
food
properly.
without teeth.
which becomes easy to pass through the esophagus. Language can be changed. हो सकता है आपको हम जब लिखवाए होंगे तो दूसरा लैंग्वेज लिखवाए होंगे तो आप अपनी कॉपी भी देखकर बोल सकते हो. बट द मैटर शुड बी देयर. मैटर यही है कि teeth helps in further breaking up of the food larger food particle into smaller one through the esophagus. Through the food pipe or esophagus. If we chew rice or bread for a few minutes, it starts tasting sweet.
The
Because
enzymes
saliva
in
mixes
saliva
breaks the
previously
starch
breaking
into
down the
sugar,
starch content
which
Due to
into
the
glucose.
enzymes in our
makes it
They are
saliva,
taste
made up
sweeter.
of pure
previously
of
breaking down the starch content to glucose
glucose
when it comes
molecule.
to
The
rice and
starch
bread. They
food
are
brings
made of pure
more energy
glucose
to our
molecules.
body.
The starchy food bring more energy
Because
to
the
you.
saliva contains digestive juices that break starch into sugar.
That is tasteless when
Yes.
chewed for some
The
That will
enzymes
be
in our saliva
Ma'am,
not
can
are
I?
previously breaking down the starch
Ah.
content in glucose.
If we chew bread or rice for few minutes, it starts tasting sweet
Yes.
due to the enzymes in our saliva are
contains
previously
sugar.
breaking down the starch content to glucose. When it comes to rice and bread, they are made of pure glucose molecules. The starchy food
The
bring more energy to the
starchy
body.
food content bring more energy to our body.
No need to elaborate that way. आप सीधा लिखो कि saliva mixes with the food and breaks it into the sugar molecule. Sugar उसका जो starchy molecule होता है उसको sugar molecule में बदल देता है. बस उतना ही लिखना है उसमें. उतना एनर्जी देता है और ये सब लिखने की इसमें जो contains digestive juices
because saliva contains digestive juices which break down sugar
Saliva
to form
contains
starch.
certain enzymes.
That is
The
tasteless when chewed.
enzymes in our saliva are previously breaking down the starch content in
Saliva contains digestive juices that break down the starch to form sugar. Hence, the new
starch
starches are
to form sugar. Bacteria are present in the cecum of ruminants.
bacteria.
There are some
Bacteria
symbiotic
present in
bacteria
the
present in
acidum help
cecum
in
of
further
ruminants.
digestion of
Cecum
the
is a part
calculus
of
of the
the
food.
intestine which is accumulated with plain matter.
Contains Yes. The bacteria present in the cecum help in further
Because
digestion of the
these
cell.
bacteria helps
See,
to
I
further
have
digest the
given you a
cellulose of
short
the food
answer
in
that
ruminants.
Ma'am, can I speak?
bacteria which is present in the cecum helps in further digestion of the cellulose of the food. बस इतना ही लिखना है because bacteria is present in the cecum which helps the cellulose matter of the food for digestion. ठीक है? पेज नंबर 24 में भी दिया हुआ है ये लाइन, आप उसको भी हेल्प ले सकते हो. Explain how digested food gets absorbed into the blood.
Digested food molecules are absorbed in the small intestine. This means that they pass through the wall of the small intestine and into our bloodstream. Once in the bloodstream, the digested food molecules are carried around the body to where are they needed.
Transported to all parts of the body via the blood. It is used to produce energy and to build complex substances required by the body.
Once again, एक बार और पढ़िए इस आंसर को.
Digested food molecules are absorbed in the small intestine. This means that they pass through the
Small
wall of the
intestine
small
absorb
intestine
digested
and into our
food. It
bloodstream.
has
Once
large
in the
number of
bloodstream, the digested
organs
food
like
molecules
protection.
are carried around the body to where they are needed.
Okay. आप लोग को हम बुक में इसको मार्क भी करवाए थे क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
पेज नंबर 22.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट. State in one or two sentences each the various processes involved in nutrition in ruminant animals.
The through chewing the food during
rumination helps
rumination
down the rich cellulose contents
in
of the
breaking
plant
down the rich
materials. This
cellulose
breaking down
content
makes it easy for
of
the
the
animals to
plant's
digest the
materials. This
cellulose
breaking
content.
down makes it easy for these animals to digest cellulose content.
This breaking down makes it easy for the animals to digest the cellulose content.
The throat chewing of food during rumination helps to break down the rich cellulose content of the plant materials. This breaking down makes it easy for the animals to digest the cellulose content.
Okay.
Ingestion of food in amoeba through a diagram बनाओगे 24 and we see children one question answers are there in your copy or not. सब लोग रेडी हो जाइए. मे बी अगर आप लोग को मंडे से स्कूल आना है देन यू कमिंग. तो अभी हम लोग के पास कोई नोटिस नहीं आया है, लेकिन अगर आता है तो आप लोग अपनी कॉपीज के साथ रेडी होकर आइएगा. जैसे भी आना होगा, whatever will be the page number 24. This diagram of nutrition in amoeba is also important. So you have how many diagrams in this chapter? कितना chapter इस chapter में कितना diagram आप लोग को बनाना है? One is digestive system of human being. Page number 17. Buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. Page number 18. Taste buds of tongue. ये बनाना है दूसरा. फिर और उसके बाद है villi. Parts of a small intestine showing villi. Then digestive system of a cow and nutrition in amoeba. These all you have to do in your copy. ये सबका complete होना चाहिए. Once again you will see this value based question. The biology teacher who was also the coach of the school cricket team would often compare his team members with the different organs of their digestive system. He would tell them to concentrate on their respective roles and to work as a team in a selfless and dedicated way. This, he would say, would enable them to succeed in winning matches in the same way as the team of the organs of the digestive system succeed. Wanted the students, बोलो इस पैराग्राफ के हिसाब से.
She wanted the student to work in selfless and dedicated way with teamwork.
Quality.
Sincerity, ma'am, sincerity and obedience.
Yes, dedication and concentration.
Work within selfless.
Yes, and sincerity also.
Cooperation towards
Selflessness, sincerity, dedication, and
cooperation
yes,
towards each
cooperation
other.
also. सही है. Then try to make a list of 11 names that are a part of team that make up the human digestive system.
Buccal cavity, food pipe,
Buccal
stomach, small intestine,
Cavity,
large
food
intestine,
pipe,
rectum,
liver,
anus,
pancreas.
liver, pancreas,
Stomach,
Cavity, food pipe, stomach, liver, intestine, so small intestine, large intestine, rectum.
salivary glands,
pancreas and liver also.
Yes. Okay. Yes. All the important organs you can name in this. Have a group discussion on the importance of teamwork. कोई भी बच्चा, importance of teamwork in our day-to-day life.
If we do teamwork, our work will complete it in less time and in very efficient manner.
और कुछ? Next, other student, कुछ और idea आपके पास है teamwork का? बोलो. Less time.
If we do work in teamwork, no other can break by harming us.
It makes our unity strong. It makes our unity strong.
Yes, ठीक है. और you develop more ideas. You finish your work in time. You can have the work distribution, which will help you to finish your work in time. और कुछ?
Ma'am, it can develop leadership.
Our work will be very fruitful and completed at the time.
You can have pardon, क्या बोला चलो? Okay, then your work can be perfect if so many people will be there in the teamwork. Then they all will be alert about the least error caused in that work. Performance will be better. Okay, these all things, these all ideas you may have in your work. Now children, कोई भी दिक्कत है इस चैप्टर में अब आप लोग को?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now I have completed my work that I have made you several revisions, but for your
Ma'am, the voice was not
should be followed. Learn here. Clear? Voice is not coming.
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is not coming clearly.
Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, तो आप लोग को मैं बता रही थी कि अब आप लोग का वर्क है टू लर्न द all the matter, substantial matter which is you have been provided and be sincere. अब आप लोग को सिंसियरिटी दिखाना है, अपने एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर्ड होना है. अभी तक तो आप लोग घर में बैठ कर एग्जाम दे रहे थे. अगर ऑफलाइन एग्जाम होगा तो दैट सिचुएशन विल बी डिफरेंट. So you get mentally prepared for that. Clear? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a
Thank you,
nice
ma'am.
day. Thank you, all of you.
Have a nice
Thank you.
Ma'am, you should interrupt the thing. Please be hushed. मैम चली गई. मैम सही नहीं. बंद कर दिया. बंद मत करना. ऐसे ही. हाँ, सब लेफ्ट हो रहा है. हम बंद कर